The Seville community in Tradition is adding pools to select inventory homes as their latest incentive. And literally, as I sat down to make this video, made a change to this incentive that made it even better. In this video, I'm going to be going over the pool, comparing this incentive to other pool options in the area, and also showing you the model of the available inventory homes. So let's get started. Currently at Seville, 2 inventory homes on home sites 43 and 66 are going to be the first 2 homes to be built with a pool. This incentive is going to be the only incentive on these homes, so there will not be a rate buy down or closing costs. It'll just be the pool. The value of the pool is at about $85,000. The dimension of the pool included is 13 feet by 25 feet, and the depth is 3 feet to 4 foot 11 deep. Both of these inventory homes are the same floor plan, which is the Meridian floor plan, and this is a 4-bed, 3-bath, 2-car garage at 2,264 square feet. Both of these inventory homes are going to have the contemporary elevation. Homesite 43 already has the design options chosen for that home, whereas 66 does not. Homesite 43 was listed for a price after design options of $677,000. I say was listed at $677,000 because literally, as I sat down for this video, I was informed that Seville decided to take $85,000 off the price, making the pool free, and the list price is now $592,000. So the incentive shifted from purchasing a brand new pool home to now purchasing a brand new home with a free pool. This is an amazing incentive, and Homesite 43 is currently under construction and is set to have a May 2025 completion date. The other Meridian available on Homesite 66 is currently listed at about $640,000 and has not went through the design options as of yet. They added about 40,000 options in Homesite 43, so I'm assuming they're going to be about the same for this home, and this home is also on a waterfront lot. They did say when I spoke with them that this incentive is only available for the Homesite 43 and they don't plan on doing it for Homesite 66. So we'll have to see as this build gets further along with 66 if they feel they have to take some more off the price in order to move this home. I guess we will see. I think it would be really cool, obviously, if they just give the free pool with this new incentive and do that going forward. I think it would be really great and these homes would fly off the shelf, but we'll have to see. Time will tell. This is the first time they are doing the pool incentive, so they're probably going to make a few tweaks as they go, but it's a great start and it's an amazing incentive either way, because that's what I was making this video about, was just at that price, how good of a value it was getting a brand new pool home in Seville for that price. But now seeing Homesite 43 drop to $592, that's an absolute steal. The $677 is still great value, but to find a brand new pool home under $600,000 in Tradition is just absolutely amazing. But now we're going to be covering some of the comps and other options in Tradition, so you can kind of get the context for this as well. I'm going to be doing this by briefly touching on the resale pool homes in the Tradition area, and also comparing this incentive to the other builder in Tradition that also offers the pool with their homes. In the Tradition area, there are 88 active resale pool homes, and when you take out the 55 and older communities and limit the size of the home to 2,000 up to 2,500 square feet, just so they're more comparable to the Meridian, there are only 11 active resale pool homes in the area. Of these 11 homes, the average list price for these pool homes is $655,000, with half of these homes being older than 2013 and the other half ranging from homes built in 2019 up to 2023, but none of them being 2025 builds. Now, to compare this incentive to the homes that have actually closed over the last year in Tradition, over the last year, there have been 27 similar pool homes that have closed. 12 of these pool homes closed in a price range of $440,000 up to $560,000. However, they were all over 20 years old. Only one of the closed homes was a resale that was a 2021 build, and that sold for $640,000. And the rest of the homes that sold were all new construction homes that ranged from $677,000 up to $846,000. Most of which being in the other community in the Tradition area that offers a pool with their homes, and that is Belterra. This is a GHL Homes community that was the first to offer this pool incentive in the area. The entire community, every home is sold with a pool. This community is located at the southmost edge of Tradition, and I've done a video on Belterra on my channel in the past as well if you are interested for more information on that community. The lowest price sold home in Belterra over the last year was for $677,950, with the rest of their sales ranging in the 700s and 800s for this square foot range. So this makes the Seville pool homes the lowest priced brand new pool homes in the Tradition area, and with the $85,000 off of Homesite 43 makes it the lowest price by a wide margin. And you can also see after going through the comps and what else is available in the area that even at the $677,000, this is still a really great value for getting a brand new pool home in Tradition. Now that we've covered the pool and the comps, I just wanted to briefly kind of touch on my thoughts on this incentive versus the other incentives that Mattamy is offering, because as I said earlier, the homes that are going to have the pool incentive are not going to have any other incentives like the rate buy down or the closing costs. So it's really going to come down to what makes the most sense for you when you are purchasing your home. And we can absolutely sit down and go over the pros for both of these and see what makes the most sense for your purchase. I'm now going to show you a quick walkthrough tour of the Meridian model at Seville, just so you can get a good idea for the layout and the flow of the home. The next steps after that, if you are interested in these Meridian models or building in Seville or any community in the Port St. Lucie area, I'll have my contact form link in the description and my contact information as well. If you love the pool incentive and would like to be notified if a specific model ever gets the pool incentive with it or that is coming up in the future and you want me to keep you updated on that, I can do that as well. Just email me which floor plan you're looking for and I'll absolutely make sure you are the first to know if a pool home for that model is coming available. I hope you liked the Meridian model. If you are interested in either of these inventory homes, contact me And if you know you are moving to the Port St. Lucie area, I would really love to be your real estate resource of choice. My contact information and contact form are in the description below. I appreciate you for taking the time to watch this video. Thank you very much and have a great rest of your day.